Hello everyone, welcome to my video on data analysis using Microsoft Excel. In this video, I will be showing you how to analyze data using Microsoft Excel and how to get insight from your data. I will be using a sample data set to demonstrate the process of data analysis step by step. By the end of this video, you will have a good understanding of how to use Microsoft Excel for data analysis and how to interpret your result. So let's get started. Okay, so now we have the data set. In your data set dufite, urabona hano dufite transaction date, dufite product name, product category, customer name, quantity sold, unity price, total price, returning quantity, loss, and profit. So this is the data set that we have. So ntabwo ari korone nyinshi, it's just a simple data set that I want to show you how you can analyze this data using this Microsoft Excel. So to analyze this data and to get insight, of this data, so we might ask ourselves some simple questions. Okay, let's have a simple question that we might ask ourselves. We can ask ourselves, what is the total revenue generated by each product category? Which product category have the highest and lowest sales? What is the average price per category? What is the total profit and loss per product category? What is the trend in sales over time? So this is the small questions that you might ask yourself just to get insight of your data. So imagine if you have like a data set of like thousand and thousand laws, where you need to understand to analyze the customer behavior. So the product which is sold best, the one which is not. You understand the things. So to get data analysis, simply go to here. We are here, home. Then a long way to the right, you can see analyze data. So click here. Then you'll see the prompt opening like this, and here are some suggestions that you might need. Like we need to see the total price by total date and product name. So you might be interested in unit price per product category, something like that. Okay, but here up you can see ask question about your data. Okay, so let's go to the questions and take the first one. What is the total revenue generated by each product? Then I copy this one, then I paste it here, then I go to enter. Okay, now so here are some of the answer. Returning quantity by product category, so it's not what we want, so not what you mean. Okay, try this one. Let's try this one. Then you see total profit by category, and you remember we asked ourselves total revenue generated by each category. So this one is what we want. Then we click insert pivot table. So when you look at this one, it is total profit by product category. In fruit, we get this. Meat, we get this. Then we get this. Beverage, we get this. Seafood, we get this. So this is, in simply, you one click, you get the answer. Okay, we have the second question. Which product category have the highest lower and lowest sales? Then we copy this. Then we come back to here. Then we paste it here. Okay, now here is a product category by highest value of country sold. Let's see this one. Product category by highest value sold. Let's do this. Then you can see this is the button 5, like category by highest value of quantity sold. Snacks, we saw this. Sweet we saw this, bakery we saw this, vegetable we saw this. All these things are what we have sold. Okay, now let's go to the next question. What is the average price? So we copy this, then we come back here, then we paste it here. Okay. Average of total price by product category. When you click, you see this is the average price by product category you get. So let's go to the next one. What is the total profit and loss per category? We copy this, we paste it here. Okay, so this is what you get. So let's insert table. So you can see the profit and total loss by each category. Like in the bakery, we have this sum of profit and you have this sum of loss. Yeah, then you can compare from here. So what we mean? Okay, let's go to the last question. What is the trend in sales over time? I copy this, I paste it here. Okay, so now when you look at this, it is for customer name. Um, Quantity sold decrease over time, but here you can see product category vegetable has minimum sold, customer name. So what we need to know is what is the trend in sales over time. Let's take this one. Let's take this one. Okay. This is a product category vegetable on this very date has minimum key sold. So you might ask why and you try to investigate. So when you look at this one, you can take anyone, like can you go to beverage, then you see. Okay, when you look at this one, you can see here on this date, this one, we sold the minimum one. The series the total point was like value of 850, but when you come back here to the seventh, you see we saw the less. So you can keep moving like this and you check every category. Like I can go to seafood and then I check vegetable has minimum keyword. um Sorry, let me take just one. Okay, on this date we didn't make anything, so let's go to date, like we choose date. Maybe let's take this one and see. Okay, you see we don't have any data here, so you can keep playing with this one and see what you really want. So this one is helpful, I hope. Yes. So thank you guys for watching, and God bless you. See you, bye. So before I leave, guys, subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.